over here in North Fort Myers again, and I'm just giving a shout out to all the linemen, all the utility companies. These guys are great. This is like base camp for all of the utility and electrical people that got us power that we really needed. So that's what's up. I really appreciate that.